borderline a little wet, but they wanted to try to get some done today. Making it flat. We're gonna get this one done, but I think it is just a little wet. Now we got a Puma 150. It's got 1,000 pounds of weight on the front, power shift. It's stick it in the tires. It's another day would have been fine. Another day would have been fine, but we're dealing with the rain coming tomorrow. Yeah, we're rolling a little alfalfa 2019. It was too wet yesterday, and it's maybe a little bit too wet today. It's pulling the cleats up pretty good. Not bad. Really not that hard to pull. We're not really have zero slip. 42% power. Fast we run at 6.9. We were running about 8. We got some wet holes up here we got to go around, but for the most part, doing good. Here comes Austin. Having to go around quite a few wet spots, especially on the bottom side of this hill. It's really wet. Just tell immediate difference when you walk right behind where he's been. Like I said, we got some water down here. This is very wet down here. No problems whatsoever. Thing does a good job. Seems to handle it all right. This here is a wet hole. To do some comparison to show you. Obviously the tractor cleated, and you can tell it smeared the mud a little. The roller goes right through it. But look at your footprints. Less compaction than what my foot is doing. But put 34,000 pounds on a rock and it will put it down. The way we've been doing it, you cock these wheels. Till they get to a point where one side locks in before the other. Then you lower the thing down and raise the wheels. So then it gets to a point where it transfers fluid to raise those up in transport mode. Like that. Now this side here got all the way locked in. But he'll back up a little bit more now. Just keeps it coming. You really want to make sure your pins are back. this and that's it. After it's unfolded, you're off. It just really helps set the crowns back into place. Any rocks that worked their way up, like here's a rock, it just firms it back down in place, keeps you from having any issues. 34-foot roller, so we were told. It's a 150 Puma. Supposedly power bulges to 190. There's really no issue. I mean, it's pretty firm out here. I mean, tractor does the job. I mean, I don't know why you would need much bigger, other than flotation if you had bigger tires and it was wetter. If it's much wetter, it'd be sticking to the tires. So I think at this point, it does the job.